Hi, and welcome to day 9 of Vlogmas. Day 9. I really do like this little gingerbread house. It's kind of what I'm going for in my she shed. It's going to be brown with white trim, so that's why I'm feeling an affinity for my calendar. Today we have a small shop and Disney haul that I wanted to show you. Oh, it's kind of heavy here. Got lots of stuff. Okay, keep watching and whew, we'll see. I need to put these down. Now we have a Disney store. No, we don't. We have a Disney store outlet that is close to us. The nearest Disney store is all the way down in San Antonio, but we do get to the Disney store outlet when we can. That's in San Marcos, if you were ever there. San Marcos, Texas. Texas State, I believe, is there. Yeah, Texas State is in San Marcos, so we go down there. That's kind of like the nearest place to do shopping. But we went to the Disney store there. My daughter wanted to do her Christmas shopping at the outlet, so we went down there, and of course, you know, we have to shop at the Disney store. So the first thing I got, this was actually on clearance for $5, and I absolutely love this shirt. I actually made her get it for me off. It was hanging way above where no one could reach it, and I'm like, I want that one. This is Belle in a green dress reading a book. Absolutely loved this shirt. And it has like little lace insets in it, which I thought were really cool. So that was my first Disney store find. I had 2. This is the second I had. I paid, I think it was actually $12. It's marked $16.95. Are you ready? Can you read what this says? It says, guess who's on the naughty list? Let me take off the size sticker because you don't need to see that. Guess who's on the naughty list? And it has Maleficent. Is that not the perfect Christmas t-shirt for me? I just absolutely adored that. So that was my Disney store find that I just had to share with you all. We love the Disney store, but the Disney outlet often has clearance and better prices. So it's nice that it's right there. Okay. This next item I ordered from an Etsy shop. I don't remember who I saw with these. And then I saw them on Instagram. And I'm like, I have to have those. Have to have those. And these are from Dee Doo Ears. There's her card, so you know they're ears. And on the invoice, thank you for your purchase, Emily. No, thank you, Emily, for actually making this. I'm going to link to her Etsy shop below, because once you see these ears, it's going to be all over. You're going to want them for yourself. Aren't these cool? Let me take it. They're very well wrapped in bubble wrap and taped closed. I saw these and I'm just like, I have to have those. Very well packaged. Those, I don't have that many ears, as I've told you before, but their numbers are growing exponentially. We often joke in our family that our trips are all about the food. And aren't these adorable? These are her tags. I'm going to take her tag off because, you know, I'm going to put these on. Sorry, Rose Gold. You're being replaced for the moment. Oh, are these not cute? Oh, they're comfy too. I just love that they look like an ice cream sundae. Is that just not the best? Oh, I love these. And the last box is from Wishes Candle Company. I know I've opened these before. I absolutely adore their candles. I've pretty much burned through the first 3 that I purchased. I don't think it was Black Friday, but it was the end of November. They had a really good sale, so I went ahead and purchased some. As always, I have the directions. I'm smelling the box. And It smells so good. And I love these little stickers. I think these stickers are so great. I got 4 candles. I don't remember which ones except for... Oh no, one of them is actually broke. That's not good. Okay, I'll show you the rest of these. Sometimes this time, well, any time of year the mailman can get kind of rough. These are very well packed, but stuff happens. This one is a wonderful thought. Isn't that a beautiful color green? I just love that. From, you know, Tinkerbell. Oh my goodness. I love that. It's got the glitter on the top. I love that. I love the color. I love the fragrance. I am a huge Tinkerbell fan. Rose gold basic. Because I'm having this love affair with rose gold lately. Now these pins all have a Disney pin inside of them. Oh, is that not just pretty? And that definitely smells like... I have a rose soap that I use almost identical fragrance. I love that. That is really nice. And of course, this one was purple. So you know I had to get the purple one. Regions Beyond from the Haunted Mansion. I love that color of purple. Love, love, love that color of purple. And it's green on the top. The smell is just very, very fresh. Oh, I love that. Let me see if I can tell what the one that broke was. So I can... It smells so good. I'm going to be brokenhearted if I can't get another one. The one that broke was... Yeah, it was Very Merry Treats. Unfortunately, it just... I don't know if you could see that. It smells wonderful, but I don't want to get any... Just the bottom of it just cracked. It smells so good. And that's it for day 9. I have 9 fingers. I don't know what I'm going to do after tomorrow because I won't have enough fingers. I am really enjoying doing all these videos for Vlogmas. I hope you're enjoying watching them. If you are and you have not yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button below. Hit the bell and you will be notified each and every time I upload new content. Until tomorrow, go out there and do something great and have a magical day.